The latest Cybertruck failure comes to us by way of the steer-by-wire system. The driver behind the wheel quickly turning the wheel left and right while the front wheels are in view. It doesn't take a keen-eyed observer to notice the lag between the time it takes for the driver to turn the wheel and the truck's wheels to react. Now, to be fair, all steer-by-wire systems lag. It's just a result of having no physical mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the front wheels. The Cybertruck looks to be worse. The Cybertruck seems to be at 125 milliseconds. That's slow. While it's true that steer-by-wire systems have a faster steering ratio for lower speeds and a slower one for higher speeds, this kind of lag can be dangerous in a situation where a correction is needed. Is the steering lag a safety issue and needs to be addressed by Tesla? Let us know in the comments section.